Why is my Shopify store not accepting payments? I'm going to show you how you can easily fix my Shopify store not accepting payments. First, check your admin notifications by clicking the bell icon on the top right-hand side of your Shopify admin. This should then reveal all of the relevant notifications for your store. If your Shopify payments account is on hold, and if our team requires you to upload specific documents, you should see a notification for this within this section. You can click on it to then be taken to the relevant page to proceed with your next steps. If you don't see any notifications related to your Shopify payments account, you will need to get in touch with our internal team so that we can take a closer look at your account to investigate why your store isn't currently accepting payments on checkout. To get in touch with our team, you will need to log in to your store via our Help Center here, where you can then proceed to create a support ticket with our internal team. This usually occurs when the bank rejects the payout because the amount is non-existent or closed. Most often, this is due to incorrect bank details. You can update your details in the Shopify admin, and Shopify Payments will try the payout again within 3 business days. Banks typically accept one currency. Then comes mismatches. Your Shopify Payments currency differing from your bank account currency can cause a payout failure. For Shopify Payments, you need a checking account in your local currency, eligible for local transfers, savings accounts, flex currency accounts, and wire-only accounts aren't supported. A mismatch between the beneficiary name on the Shopify payout and the bank account could also lead to failure. Shopify payouts for sole traders are in the owner's name. For corporations and other business types, it's in the business name. Should this error occur, contact Shopify support. If there aren't enough funds to cover a negative payout, Shopify tries to deduct the amount from your bank account. This applies to Australia, Canada, and the USA. If the deduction fails, the payout fails. For other regions, the refunds will be taken from future payouts.